Yes, hello children. Coming back to our mathematics subject. Today we will be doing revision of chapter 2. Now children, I think you all are thorough with chapter 1 and practicing all the sums for your exam. Correct? Okay, now in chapter 2, we have finished with two basic operations, that is addition and subtraction. So today we will be revising those two topics, that is four operations, that is addition and subtraction. Now in this addition and subtraction, we have learned how to add 6 to 7 digit number, that is without carryover, addition of a number with carryover. Then we have also learned about the properties of addition. Then subtraction without borrowing, that is simple subtraction sums, subtraction with borrowing, and how to find the missing digits both in addition as well as subtraction sums. Just we'll have a quick look at all these topics. Okay, now in addition, I have already told you that whatever the numbers are added, whether there are 2 numbers or 3 numbers or 4 numbers, those numbers are called as add-ins, and the answer or the result after adding those numbers, what you get is called as the sum. Okay, yes. Now this basic sum, this is a in this slide you can see a sum, that is 23,14,213 added, that is 42,40,365. These two numbers are added, is just an addition sum where you have to just add the numbers and write. It is addition without carry over. 3 plus 5 is 8. Then 8. 1 plus 6 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 3 plus 2 again is 5. And 4 plus 2 is 6. This is just a direct addition sum. Now we have also done, that is addition with carry over. Now let us, in this slide, the two numbers, two add-ins which are to be added. Now starting from the ones place, 9 plus 6 is 15, where you will carry 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 7 is 9. Now 9 plus 5 in hundreds place is 14. 1 carry over in the thousands place. Now in the thousands place, both the numbers are 0. So 1 added to 0 will give you 1. Now 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 carry over in the lakh place. Now 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So in the 10 lakh place it is 5. So your answer is 58 lakhs 11,495. Okay, so this addition sum is, we have already done, that is with carry over. Okay, now in this slide we have to find the missing digits. Now wherever blank boxes are there, that means you have to find the number in the for the blank boxes. Now here we'll start from the ones place, that is 8 plus 3. Now 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 carry over here. 1 will be carried out in the tens place. Now 9 plus 1 is 10, but here the number is 4. That means 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 added to what number will give you 14? That is the number 4. Now 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 1 carry over to the hundreds place. Now here in the next number, the number is 7. Now 1 added to which number will give you 7? So 1 plus 6 is 7. Now here it is a direct addition number. 0 plus 7 is 7. Now here 8 added to what number will give you 5? Now 5 is smaller than 8. So it should be 15. So 8 added to which number will give you 15? So 8 plus 7 will give you 15, where 5 is written here and 1 will be carried out in the lakh place. Now 3 plus 1 is 4, but here the number is 3. That means it should be 13. 3 is smaller than 4, that it should be 13. So 4 added to which number will give you 13? So that is the number 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 1 carry over to the 10 lakh place. Now here the number is 7. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus which number will give you 7? That is the number 2. Okay, so this is how you have to find the missing digits. This also we have already done. Coming to the next, the properties of addition. We have learned the 3 properties of addition. Let us take a quick look of what are the 3 properties. The first property is order commutative property, which tells us that 2 numbers can be added in any order. Their sum will remain the same. Suppose if I say 3 plus 4, or if I say put it in this order 4 plus 3, the sum will remain the same, that is 7. Same way here example is given, 17,624 plus 38,715. So if you write 38,715 first and then 17,624, your answer will remain the same. Coming to the next property, that is associative property. Now in associative property tells us that 3 numbers can be added in any order. Their sum will remain the same. Suppose if I say 4 plus 3 and then add 2, or if I say this is 7 plus 2, that is 9, or if I say 4 plus 2 and then add 3, so 6 plus 3, that will also give me the same answer, that is 9. That is what it means, that 3 numbers can be added in any order. Their sum will remain the same. Here the number given is a 6-digit number. So I have just showed you an example of a single digit number. Now the third property tells us about the zero identity property, which tells that when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. That is, any number to any number, if you add 0, the answer will remain the same, that is the number itself. Now we have also done the topic that is of subtraction with borrowing, and only simple subtraction sums. Now in subtraction we have learned that the first number is called as the minuend. The number which is subtracted is called as the subtrahend. The answer or the result of that number is called as the difference. Now this is just a simple subtraction sum. Now here you just have to subtract, you need not borrow. Now here starting from the ones place, 2 minus 1, that is 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 4 minus 1, or you can count the number after 1. 1, so 2, 3, 4. Till 4 you have to count. After 1, 2, 3, 4. So your number is 3 here. 8 minus 4, count the number after 4 till 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will give you 4. 7 minus 5, that is 2. 5 minus 3, again 2. 4 minus 2, again 2. And the next one is 3. No number is written, so it is 3 itself. Okay, so this is just a simple subtraction sum, what we have done already, that is without borrowing. Now we have also learned subtraction with borrowing. So in this slide we'll start from the ones place. Okay, here 28 crore 34 lakh 79,899, it has to be subtracted from 72 crore 15 lakh 8,346. So we'll start from the ones place. Okay, now in the ones place 9 cannot be subtracted from 6. So what we'll do is we will borrow from the tens place. So this will become 3 and this will become 16. Now 16 minus 9 is 7. When you add 9 plus 7 you should get 16. Okay. So now here in the tens place again you cannot subtract. So you'll borrow from the hundreds place. This will become the number 13. So we'll count the number after 9 till 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. So it is 4 here. In the hundreds place again you cannot carry out the subtraction as the first number is smaller. So borrow from the thousands place 7 and this will become 12. The 12 minus 8 again is 4. Thousands place again you cannot subtract, but also you cannot borrow from the 10,000 place because the number in the 10,000 place is 0. So you'll borrow from the lakh place. So this will become 4. This will become the number 10. Now from 10 if you borrow, this will become 9 and this will become 17. Now 17 minus 9 is, count from 9 till 17. So it will be 8. Now 9 minus 7 is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now 3 cannot be subtracted from 1. So you'll borrow from the crore place 1. This will become 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. In the crore place again you cannot carry out the subtraction. So borrow from the 10 crore 6, 11. So 11 minus 8 is 3. This is 4. So your answer is 43 crore 80 lakh 28,447. Now what two things you have to keep it in mind is to find the minuend, that is the first number, we will always add the difference and the subtrahend. And to find the subtrahend, that is the second number, you will always subtract the difference from the minuend. Okay, so now based on this, we'll find how to find the missing digits in a subtraction sum. Now here we'll start from the ones place. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now in the tens place you have to find the first number, that is the minuend. So what we'll do is we will add the subtrahend and the difference. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Now here the first number is given, you have to find the subtrahend. So to find the subtrahend, you will subtract the difference from the minuend, that is 6. So 6 minus 4 is 2. And if you subtract 6 minus 2, you should get the number 4. 3 minus 0 is 3. To find the minuend, 3 plus 1, 4. Again to find the first number, 6 plus 2 is 8. Then here in the 10 lakh place, you have to find the subtrahend. So you will subtract 4 from 7. So this will be 3. Yes. So this is how you have to find the missing digits in subtraction sum. Now based on this, let us solve some questions. Now here what you have to do is, the questions are given. You have to solve the questions in rough. Okay, you don't have to do anything here. You just have to solve the questions in rough paper or in your rough book. And from the options given, you have to select the appropriate or the correct answer. Now see the first one. The first sum is 68,275 plus 1,39,420 is equal to dash plus 68,275. Now do you remember, according to the order commutative property, if you change the order of the number, the sum will remain the same, correct? Now here two numbers are given. Out of these two number, one number is already mentioned here. So that means which is your correct option? What should be the number here? That is, your option is the third one, that is 1,39,420. So this is according to the order commutative property. Correct? Now coming to the second sum. Now here your question is 96,84,325. This is your minuend, that is the first number. Now which number, if you subtract from the first number, you will get the answer as 34,32,313. So what you have to do is solve it in your rough book, the sum. When you solve it, I will just solve it here and show you. Minus 34,32,313. When you subtract this, 5 minus 3 is 2, 1, 0, 2, 5, 2 and 6. So which is your correct option? That is the first one. Okay, so this working, whatever you are doing it, you have to do it aside in your rough book and then select the answer or tick the correct answer, whichever is your option. Now coming to the third sum, you have to say true or false. Minuend is equal to difference minus subtrahend. Is it true or false? We have already studied I have already showed you one slide. Minuend is always is equal to difference plus the subtrahend. So but here it is given as minus. So what is your correct answer? Your correct answer is this statement true or false? It is false. It is not difference minus subtrahend. It is difference plus subtrahend. Yes, coming to the fourth question. Now here the question given is, from the sum of 51,29,368 and 16,358, if we subtract 5,236, the answer is. Now in this sum, what you have to do is, you have to first add the two numbers. You have to first find the sum of two numbers, that is these two numbers. So when you add these two numbers, let us see what is the sum we get, that is the answer. Sixteen, 1, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry over, here it is 7, 9 plus 6 is 15, 1 carry over, it is 4, 5 and then 1, that is 51,45,726. Now from this answer, what we have got is, we have to subtract 5,236. So what was the question what was the sum we got? That is 51,45,726. From this answer we will subtract 5,236. Now 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 cannot be subtracted from 2, so you'll borrow from here. This will become 6. Now 12 minus 3 is 9. 6 minus 2 is 4. 5 minus 5 is 0. This 4 will remain as it is. No number is there. 1 also. And then 5. So which is your correct option, children? Your correct option is the B1, that is 51,40,490. Okay, so first you have to add the two numbers and then whatever answer you are getting, you will subtract. From that you will subtract 5,236. So whatever the working is there, you will solve it aside in your rough book and then click with the correct option for your exam. Now the last sum is 96,54,389. To this number, what if you will add, the number will remain the same, that is 96,54,389. So according to the zero identity property, we have learned that if you add 0 to any number, the number will remain the same. So your option is the B one. Okay, so this we have finished with the revision of chapter 1 and 2. Children, keep practicing, do well for your exam. Okay, till then we'll meet you in the next class. Till then, thank you for today and bye. Have a good day.